In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create folders in Bitwarden. By the end, you'll have a clean, organized way to group related logins and notes so you can find what you need faster. First, open the Bitwarden web vault in your browser so you're looking at your vault dashboard. This is the main place where all of your saved items live. Having the web vault open makes it easy to manage structure and organization, which is exactly what folders are for. Think of folders as simple labels you can use to group items like banking, shopping, travel, or work. Next, look for the Vaults area in the interface and click it to make sure you're on the Vault view. This ensures you're in the right spot to create and manage content. If you have a lot of entries, you might see filters and sections on the left. Staying on the Vault view keeps everything straightforward for this setup. Now, find the plus icon or the new button near the top of the page. This is Bitwarden's shortcut for creating things. When you click it, a small menu appears with different item types. Using this menu keeps your workspace tidy and avoids drilling through extra settings. From that menu, choose Folder. You're telling Bitwarden you want a new container to organize existing or future items. Folders don't change how your passwords work. They simply give you a way to sort them so your vault doesn't feel cluttered. A small window will open with a field labeled folder name. Click into that field to make it active. This is where you define how you'll recognize the folder later, so it's worth choosing something clear and specific. Short, descriptive names work best. Type the folder name you want. For example, you might use banking, subscriptions, travel, or work. Aim for a consistent naming style so your folders line up nicely and are easy to scan. You can always refine names later, so don't overthink it. Clarity beats cleverness. When you're happy with the name, click Save. Bitwarden will create the folder instantly. You won't see items inside yet, and that's expected. This step just sets up the container you'll use to group related entries going forward. To confirm it's there, click on Folders in the sidebar. This opens your list of folders and shows the one you just created. Seeing it in the folders view is a quick way to verify everything worked and to keep an eye on your organizational structure as it grows. That's it, your new folder is ready to use. With your web vault open, the vault view selected, a folder created and saved, and the folders list visible, you've set a solid foundation for a cleaner, faster Bitwarden experience.